Hello everyone, welcome to Journal of Hospitality Marketing and Management. This video will cover articles in our volume 32, issue 8 in 2023. Our editor-in-chief is Dr. Alsaad. He is the Taco Bell Distinguished Professor in Hospitality Business Management at Washington State University. Dr. Rasouli has been recognized as one of the most productive scholars in top-tier publications among hospitality and tourism journals. The first article in our issue is Green Entrepreneurship Orientation, Green Innovation, and Hotel Performance, the moderating role of managerial environmental concern. In this article, the authors collected over 200 responses from hotel employees, and the results show that green entrepreneurship orientation has a direct and significant impact on environmental performance and organizational performance. Besides, green innovation mediated the relationship between green entrepreneurship orientation, environmental performance, and organizational performance. Further, when green innovation is used, managerial environmental concern leads to higher environmental performance. However, the impact on green innovation and organizational performance relationship was not significant. The next article is titled A Profile Deviation Approach to Enhance Relationship Marketing Outcomes. In this article, the authors examined 7 key dimensions of online consumer engagement behavior and to build ideal and baseline profiles. And the study finds that deviating from the critical behaviors has negative impacts for the spreading of positive word of mouth and brand loyalty. And further, the configure conceptual framework was tested using profile deviation to assure verbal and statistical correspondence leading to clear actionable recommendations for managers. The next article is titled Understanding Customer Attitudes and Behaviors Toward Drone Food Delivery Services, an investigation of customer motivations and challenges. This article focused on drones in food delivery, and data was collected from near 400 drone food delivery users through an online survey, and the findings show that perceived environmental effectiveness impact reasons for the adoption and reasons against adoption and desire to use the adoption, and the reason for adoption positively influences desire and intention toward drone in food delivery, and in contrast, reasons against adoption negatively affects the intention of using it. And they also found that personal innovativeness in technology moderates the association between the reasons for adoption and adoption intention. The next article is titled The Dual Effect of Anthropomorphism on Customers' Decisions to Use Artificial Intelligence Devices in Hotel Services. In this article, the authors collected data from over 300 participants, and the results show that anthropomorphism positively enhances social presence, leading to higher performance expectancy and positive emotions toward AI devices. Anthropomorphism also entails identity threats, resulting in increased effort expectancy and negative emotions. And these trade-offs highlight the need for hotels to consider how customers perceive and respond to anthropomorphism AI devices during service delivery and to choose the level of anthropomorphism accordingly. The next article is titled Past, Present, and Future of Anthropomorphism in Hospitality and Tourism, Conceptualization and Systematic Review. In this article, 125 research papers has been identified as published in hospitality and tourism regarding anthropomorphism, and the research reveals that the topic is still growing, and the findings show that there are several futuristic themes such as machine learning, robotics are being utilized by hoteliers to adopt anthropomorphism, and marketers can focus on those future themes to build resilient strategies for the future growth of their business. The final article of our issue is titled Connecting Transformational Leadership and Emotional Energy to Job Performance, the Boundary Role of Meaningful Work. This article is theoretically supported by conservation of resources theory, and the data were collected from over 500 samples from 72 hotels in Bangladesh, and the results show that transformational leadership style was positively associated with emotional energy, and the emotional energy was the underlying mechanism between transformational leadership and job performance. Meaningful work was the significant moderator to enhance the relationship between emotional energy and job performance. And the findings did contribute to the literature of conservation of resources theory, transformational leadership, job performance, and self-concept theory. I'm the social media editor of JHMM, Yao-Qing Wang, assistant professor at University of Florida. If you want to check more of our social media postings for JHMM, please also think about to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and YouTube. JHMM is now with social science citation impact with the impact factor of 12.5, which is number 1 among hospitality journals and top 3 among all of the tourism and hospitality journals. And if you want to check out our social media posts in Chinese, please follow us on WeChat by scanning this QR code. Our Chinese version of social media posts for JHMN was organized by a group of scholars and graduate students from Zhongnan University of Economics and Law, which was held by Professors Deng, Zhou, and Gui. And if you want to check more articles of JHMM, please feel free to click on the following link shown in this slide to check more of our articles. See you. Bye.